Introducing the Gocator 2430, 40, 50 Blue Laser. Embedded dual-core controller delivers onboard data processing and low latency. A custom 2-megapixel camera for fast scan rates. Optimized optics for high sensitivity at short exposures. Built-in scan, measurement, and control at high speeds. Cleaner scan data on shiny metal surfaces. And a range of fields of view for maximum flexibility in your scan coverage. Use the Gocator 2430, 40, 50 Blue Laser sensors for scanning and inspection of shiny surfaces in battery manufacturing. Use Gocator 2450 for rail inspection applications, delivering high-resolution 3D data and repeatable measurement results even in full sunlight, or when the track ballast is wet. Gocator 2430, 40, 50 Blue Laser profilers are also suited to general factory automation applications.